So, this is the video I've been waiting for. You know how hard it was to wait for this sandwich? I'm seeing every other social media influencer. I'm seeing everybody going crazy over this sandwich. Now, the question is this worth it? Hi, I'm Mama Jasmine. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, I want to say welcome. If this is, your umpteenth time to the channel, I want to say welcome back, and you're greatly appreciated. Now, if this is your first time, make sure you're hitting like, subscribe down below, and turn on the notifications under your settings to be notified every time I upload a video. We are going to dig right into this. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the classic first. I feel like starting with that one and then building up to spicy, hopefully is worth it. Now they put them in these very insulated bags like this. So this is still hot and steaming in my hand. A lot of condensation. That crisp from a Popeye's chicken is right there. So it's definitely a similar taste to like the actual chicken itself. On the sandwich, I didn't really feel impressed with. It's like literally, I want you guys to see this, a little bit of mayo. What is this? I'm actually like, is this the mayonnaise? Like, has this been soaked in? So I feel like for the sauce factor, if they were trying to do sauce on this, it kind of failed in my opinion. But let's actually taste the chicken itself. I went to go with the sandwiches almost an hour ago. Still warm. Crunch is definitely still there. That sauce is actually really delicious on the sandwich. I thought I would feel the lacking of a sauce, but no, actually it's on there. So it must have soaked into the chicken deeply, but it's pretty good. On the picture though was pickles. So I was expecting pickles or a vegetation on it, like lettuce or something, because on the signage, it's green. Let's go ahead with a spicy one. Yeah, see that little bit of sauce. Like, if I would have known, I would have been like, yo, load me up with that sauce, though. See? So that's the disappointment, is not much sauce. Like, I bet it's bomb sauce, but a little bit. So it's just really a teaser. Oh my God. The juice just like spit out at me. Okay. I can see why there might have been some fights and lines. And I heard somebody got stabbed or shot. What the? Y'all crazy. Y'all stop being crazy over the sandwich. It's good though. I feel like it's a substantial amount of thickness, unlike a very thin patty, crispy patty. I like it. Got good crunch. But the spice, I'm not tasting much spice on this one. It's delicious, but let me see if I can, might be weird. So, I recognize that sauce anywhere. That's my blackened ranch-like sauce. That's the spice. I thought it was going to be like spice in the patty. The sauce itself is spicy, but I can handle it. Now, when I went in line, the line was actually moving pretty quickly this time. So I felt like inside I was there for less than 30 minutes. inside. The line was long, but there was a manager that was pumping the line through, and also the cashier was such a sweetheart. So they were in really good spirits for being busy. In the drive-thru, there was about 7 to 10 cars, so not crazy what the videos I was seeing where it was wrapped around the building. So it's calmed down a little bit, but still people are going for this chicken sandwich. To me, it was worth it. I love Popeye's chicken, so I was really hoping I wasn't going to be disappointed. Now, for the next video, make sure you click right here, like right up there. Yep, right there. Make sure you click on that one and see one of my latest videos. But also, at the end of this video, there's another video that's going to be like tailored to you. Of course, to your preference. What you already haven't watched, make sure you catch up with us. Now, we're going to see you in the next video. I'm really excited because we got some great things coming along. And if you have a suggestion of what you want to see me do, make sure you click down in the comments below so you can go ahead and, you know, get your video made. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and click on the box next to me. If you haven't already subscribed and this is your first time to the channel, the little logo down there, you go ahead and click on that and you're a part of the team. Now, see you in the next video. Bye.